Have you ever dreamed of creating an online course but felt overwhelmed by where to start? What if I told you there's a plugin that makes it simple, powerful, and fun to turn your knowledge into profit? Stick around because today we're diving into the LifterLMS plugin, the ultimate tool for course creators. Hi there, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, the high-performance hosting your platform deserves. In this video, I'll be reviewing LifterLMS, one of the most popular LMS plugins for WordPress, and walking you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to create your own online course. Let's do it! With the rise of e-learning, educator and businesses need tools that can simplify their course creation and management. That's where LifterLMS comes in. Imagine you have a WordPress plugin that transforms your website into a complete learning management system. This tool helps you create, sell, and manage courses without hassle, whether you teach, coach, or own a business. And the best part about this? You need zero coding knowledge, and it works seamlessly with WordPress. This makes it an excellent option for beginners and intermediates alike. Now let's take a closer look at everything this plugin offers. LifterLMS comes with tools that simplify course creation and make managing students super easy. It has a drag-and-drop builder that helps you create courses. You don't need any coding skill to create the course, just drag and drop lessons, quizzes, or sections into place. It feels very intuitive even for beginners. You can create engaging tests to keep students interested. Setting up quizzes is simple, and the variety of question types adds a fun twist. Student dashboards are clean and professional. They help students track their progress, see achievements, and stay motivated. LifterLMS works beautifully with tools like Stripe, PayPal, and email marketing platforms like MailChimp. This flexibility makes it easy to manage payments and communications in one place. You can offer courses and site access through memberships with LifterLMS. It lets you set up automatic enrollments, special membership pricings, and more. The payments are flexible too. Students can pay with credit cards and set up recurring payments. They can even choose custom pricing plans. It is simple and adaptable to everyone. The core plugin is totally free. You can start small and later add premium features when needed. You can try it out before committing to it as well. Explore the full features on a demo site for just $1. It gives you 30 days to test it out risk-free. LifterLMS grows with you whether you are just starting with a single course or managing a full academy. Adding courses or upgrading features is seamless. Protecting your content is vital, especially when you offer it exclusively to paying students. LifterLMS makes it easy with strong content restriction features. You have complete control over who can access your lessons. This ensures only the right people can see your work. The protection is reliable and gives you peace of mind that your valuable materials stay secure. Keeping students engaged is key to helping them enjoy learning and succeed in their courses. LifterLMS makes it easy with features like achievement badges, social learning tools, or private coaching. These options keep learning interactive and encourage students to perform their best. Not every tool is perfect, and LifterLMS is no exception to that. The free version is great, but to unlock other features like LifterLMS Advanced Coupons, custom fields, or private areas, you need to pay for add-ons. This can get a bit pricey if you get multiple ones. If you're a beginner, the number of options might make you feel a bit overwhelmed, but things become easier with some practice. From our experience, LifterLMS is best suited for course creators, educators, businesses, schools, institutions, and WordPress users. Now let's learn how to start an online course with LifterLMS. You can install LifterLMS directly from your WordPress dashboard, and you are not required to have any license or upgrades for that. First, you can simply log into your WordPress site and go to the Plugins section. Then click on Add New. Search for the LifterLMS into the search bar, locate it, and click on Install Now. Once the plugin is installed, click on Activate. The activation step will automatically take you to the Setup wizard. If this is your first time using the LifterLMS, you can follow the steps into the wizard to configure your LMS. And don't worry if the setup wizard doesn't appear. You can still manually access it by following the instructions in the official documentation. You should have been directed to the welcome page of the setup wizard after activation. Click on the Get Started button to begin. The setup wizard will guide you through the initial configuration. This setup automatically creates all the essential LifterLMS pages your platform needs, including course catalog, membership catalog, checkout page, and student dashboard. They will not be recreated if any of these pages are already on your site. Click on Save and Continue to move forward once you have everything reviewed. You can configure your default settings on the payment screen. Select your site's default country and currency. Settings are not final. You can adjust them anytime by navigating to LifterLMS and then Settings and then Checkout. You need to install one of the LMS e-commerce add-ons when processing payments, such as credit cards, Stripe, or PayPal. Those add-ons expand your payment options and make it easier to manage transactions directly through your site. LifterLMS adds a membership access feature that appears as a meta box on your WordPress posts and images. This handy tool lets you restrict access to certain posts so that only students with specific memberships can view them. You can create exclusive content for your membership with this feature and easily manage who gets access to what. It's time to create your first course. Go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Courses. Click Add New to get started. Every course comes with essential settings that you need to configure, like course title, course information, and access plans. You can also refer to the LifterLMS Quick Start Guide for advanced options like content restrictions. But these settings will get you up and running. To build your course structure, activate the LifterLMS Course Builder from the right-hand sidebar on the course editing page. You can also add sections and lessons to organize your content in the builder. Click on the WordPress icon next to the lesson title and edit a specific lesson. This will take you directly to the lesson editor. You can also add quizzes to your course lessons using the LifterLMS Quiz Builder. The core plugin includes basic question types to make testing students' knowledge simple. You can explore the LifterLMS Advanced Quizzes add-on for additional question types or deeper customization. This option expands your quiz building capabilities. It provides a more robust assessment experience for your learners as well. LifterLMS goes beyond just hosting courses. It lets you tailor the student experience. You can even track progress through detailed analytics. Their built-in analytics provide you insights into students' performance that ultimately helps you refine your content and improve engagement. LifterLMS lets you create certificates to reward students for completing courses. You can design certificates using the WordPress block editor. Simply go to WP Admin, Engagements, and then Certificates. Now, build your certificate and click Publish when finished. You can trigger engagement to create awards, certificates, or emails automatically. Go to WP Admin, Engagements, and Add New. Don't forget to click on the Publish button to save your certificates. To download student reports to track progress, go to the LifterLMS and then Reporting. Click the Export button under the Students tab. The CSV files will be downloaded to your computer. This makes it easy to analyze your data and track students' progress easily. Preview your course to see how it looks to students once you have added the lessons and publish it if everything looks great. Do not forget to add the course page to your website menu so learners can easily find it. You can offer free course enrollments or use the manual payment option with LifterLMS. You can even activate a payment gateway add-on to streamline transactions and grow your revenue when you look to sell courses and memberships efficiently. If you are using LifterLMS, you know how important it is for your site to perform well. A slow site and unexpected downtime do not just frustrate you, they can also hurt your business. This is where Rapyd Cloud shines. This hosting solution is built to keep your e-learning site running smoothly no matter what. Rapyd Cloud ensures your site remains lightning fast even during busy times. It is built to handle the heavy demands of dynamic platforms like LifterLMS. Whether it is streaming video, taking quizzes, or earning certificates, all these demand top-notch backend performance. Rapyd Cloud is a performance booster for your LMS. It is fast, reliable, and secure. It helps you deliver an exceptional learning experience to your students while scaling your business stress-free. Click the link in the description to get started with Rapyd Cloud today. And there you have it. LifterLMS makes launching your online courses simple, flexible, and totally achievable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our tech tips. If you have any questions about LifterLMS or online courses in general, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.